Hey, how it's going everybody? Shivkumar here from SK Technical. In this video, I will be showing you some amazing secret Android tips and tricks that I guess most of you never had of. With that being said, if you really want to get most out of your Android smartphone, then make sure you watch this video till very end. So drop a like and let's get started. Now, if you guys will find this video useful, being to consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for our future videos. Alright guys, first up is how you can improve the speed of your mobile data. Well, if you are facing slow internet connection on your phone, then I do have a simple trick by using which you can actually improve your mobile data connection. All you have to do, just go to your phone dialer and enter the secret code, which is star hash star hash 4636 hash star hash star. Once you have entered this number, select the phone information. Now if you are scroll it down, you will be get this option called set preferred network type. Make sure you will change it only LTE only. Once you can have done this, now you will need to reboot your device, and that it you will be notice much difference in speed of your mobile data connection. It will be much faster and better. Guys, it has worked for me, so I will highly recommend it you to try it yourself. Next up is how you can activate this powerful secret toggle in your notification panel. What it does in whenever you turn it on, it will be deactivate all the sensor that you have on your phone, such as camera, microphone, proximity sensor and more. So even if you access any third party website, they won't be able to track any of your information. Since all your phone sensor has been disabled, let me show you how you can activate this very useful toggle in your smartphone. Just go to your setting, about phone, and then to software information, tap on the build number for 7 times. Now you will be have developer option enabled in your setting. Just select it and then scroll it down till you find quick setting developer tiles. Here you will be find this option called sensor off. All you need to do is enable this option, and now you will be have this powerful toggle in your notification panel. Once you activate it, you won't be able to access your camera on your any sensor. Well, it's surprise useful and I highly suggested to you try it out. It will be concerned about your privacy. Alright guys, next up we have one more setting hidden in our developer option, which will enhance your multitasking and let you open multi apps in your free from window like this. Guys, you can easily open any number of application and use it in pop-up window like this in your device without installing any third-party application. Again, go to your setting, then go to your developer option. If you scroll it down below, you will be find this option called force activities to be resizable, and make sure you enable this option and then enable free from windows as well. Once you have done all this step, now you need to reboot your device, and after that, if you open any application from your recent app menu, press and hold on it, and now you will be have this brand new option called free from, which will allow you to open any application in free from window like this. And the best part is you don't have that install any third party application. You can simply enable this feature by just going to the developer option. Well, before moving on the next trick, if you love watching this kind of videos, then I will highly suggested you to subscribe to this channel because I keep making such awesome content for you. Alright, the next trick is related to Gmail. If you are sending an email to someone, you can simply tap on this 3 dot and then select confidential mode. By enabling this mode, you can actually set an expiration date for your email. For example, I set the expire in 1 week. The mail that I am sending will automatically get deleted from the recipient inbox within a week. Like this, you can set different expiration date for your email, and it also allow you to set a password for your email if you want to make it more confidential. And one more thing, in this recipient will not be able to forward your email once you enable this mode. So it is a very useful feature which is available in the Gmail application, so that pretty much it Guys, these are some amazing tips and tricks that I guess most of you never heard of. So guys, that's it for this today video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Do well to consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon that you will never miss any future videos from SK Technical. So this is Shivkumar signing off, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.